Welcome stackers! Boy, do I have a great show for you today. In this unboxing, I'm going to show you my latest purchase from the local coin shop. I have several super interesting pieces to show you. Be on the lookout for the video regarding my visit there. I will also be doing a video in the local coin shop review section. So without further ado, let's start the show! All right, so let's have a look at the purchase. As you can see, purchased quite a few things. So I'm going to start with the least expensive stuff. So to round up the purchase, I got some junk silver, not much of it, but just a little bit of junk from Canadian Mint. Let's zoom in. There we go. So this is 1967. That's the last year they did the junk silver in 80% silver in Canada. So that's the dollar. And I purchased 2 quarters. As I said, just to round up the purchase. Wanted to purchase for $4.20, and I was at $400 with the other purchases, so got those for 20 bucks. So all of these pieces came from collectible coins that were sold in kits. And I'm gonna have to replace this this holder here, it's damaged. But basically those are proofs that were sold in coin collections for every year. They are 50% silver. And I got them at spot price. So this is the first one. Got another one here. This one is an 85. There we go. So this is really interesting. Will add a ton of designs that I didn't have. Usually those sell with a big premium. The dealer had a ton of them he wanted to get rid of, so he sold it to me for a base price, basically, so spot price. Holders are a little bit damaged, but I don't think I'm going to replace them. There we go. Yeah, that one is pretty scratched up. So these are the original holders. So those coins have never seen circulation. They are perfect underneath. Now look at that design. So I believe this is the House of Commons. I would have to look it up, but it looks like it. It's hard for me to tell. As you can see, all of those designs are completely different from one another. He had probably like 100 more of those, but many were similar designs, so I only picked one from each design. Beautiful designs on these coins. The Royal Canadian Mint really can, you know, put out quite amazing looking coins. It's pretty crazy when you look at it. And while I was there, I don't know if you guys ever saw the new holographic maple leaf that they came out this year. One of their clients had purchased one and he received it, so the client went by to pick it up, so I had a chance to have a look at it. It's an amazingly stunning piece. It's I'm not gonna buy one because it sells for a very high amount of money for what it is, but I mean, when you look at it, it's amazing. So all of these came with a complete set of coins, so you know, the quarters, the dimes, nickels and everything for each year. And these are the special pieces that were proofs and that were made of silver, where even like in 87 normal coinage didn't contain any silver, so these are special mints to make those collectible coin sets. So in Canada, silver stopped being used in 1964 for the coins that were in circulation. These were all post-64, but they still contain 50% silver. And the dealer was explaining to me that in 1992, these type of coins switched to sterling silver, so it went to 92.5% silver. He also had some of those, but I didn't purchase any. There we go. So that's all of the silver I purchased there today. So this is his business card. If you ever want to shop in the Montreal area, they have a great selection. You're going to be able to see in the next video I do. He has a ton of stuff in stock, and the guy is really knowledgeable and really a joy to speak with. I really enjoyed my visit there. I spent over 4 hours at his shop. We were trying to do a video and like clients kept walking in, so he was pretty busy today. So we were able to film like 10-15 minutes at a time, and you know, I had to wait for half an hour before continuing. But yeah, it was great. So here's something I wanted. The reason basically I went there today was to purchase gold. So he didn't have much of it in stock, but I purchased everything he had in terms of pure gold. He also had gold that were not 100% gold, like sovereigns and things like that. But since those are taxable in Canada, I didn't want to purchase those. Okay, so let's have a look. So again, he made me a great deal. Those were purchased at spot price, basically. So that's 1/25th of an ounce. And it says 50 cents there, but it's more worth in the range of the $90. It's much more than 50 cents. It's always funny for me to see those ridiculous amounts on bullions. Don't understand why they don't bring up the numbers to reflect at least partially what the metal is actually worth. So that's the first one. Don't know how to open this, so just give me a sec. There we go. There's a small presentation stand that comes with it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it in that, but we'll see. So this is the certificate that comes with it. It's a proof set. Yeah, that's in French, so you won't be. That one is a different design. Also a 25th of an ounce pure gold. So these usually carry huge premiums because they're so small and so fractional, but again, he sold them to me at spot, so it was a great deal. And the last one. Okay, I'm just going to remove it from the presentation. So that one is the same design as the one I just showed you. So another 25th of an ounce. Those are tiny. It's about half of the size of a dime. It's not as small as my 1 grams one though. Well, there we have it, guys. What did you think about my purchase? Do you guys purchase any collector coins like these? Are you mostly into silver, or are you like me trying to get gold as well? Right now I'm trying to get as much gold as I can. So with this purchase I almost doubled my gold holding again. The prices I paid and premiums and everything will be explained in the video where I will be reviewing the coin shop. So it's called the Monnaie d'Échange. And it's located in Greenfield Park, which is in the suburbs of Montreal. I really had a great time during the visit. The dealer is really passionate about what he does. And the clients looked really happy with the passion and the detail he was putting into serving them. I really hope you guys have great coin shops like these where you live. I know I'll be returning there for sure. So let's have a final look at the stack I purchased there. Thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more contents like this. And be on the lookout for the upcoming videos with my actual visit to the coin shop and my review of the coin shop. If you decide to go there because of this video, make sure to mention it. The owner did take 4 hours of his time to help me film it, so I'm really appreciative of him for doing so. So thanks again, and remember, if you're not stacking, you are failing.